Hi there, John Carter here. I'm the broker and owner at REMAX River City in Edmonton, and we wanted to give all of our clients and colleagues a quick update on protocols and changes to our normal business operations with the COVID-19 coronavirus pandemic that we're all dealing with now as our new reality in the marketplace. So we've made modifications to still be able to serve our clients, and we just wanted to let you know of those changes. So, the main thing is we're all in this together. We're very much a community-minded organization, and being that we have realtors that are often used to working from home and being mobile and aren't in the at-risk categories, we want to make sure that we're offering our support and availability to our clients and to the communities as well at large. So if you do have needs, if you're in a self-quarantine situation or have other needs that we can potentially help with, don't feel hesitate to reach out to your REMAX River City realtor, and if they or themselves or will find you someone else in kind of your local area, because we have agents all around the city and surrounding areas, we'll do our best to be able to support you and help you out at this time. So the other changes that we've made to our operations is we've moved all of our main staff home, and so we're in the process of just finalizing that today to have all of our core staff working remotely. One of the benefits of being paperless and cloud-based, and we've utilized a lot of technology in our brokerage for a long time, such as video, and so we're really leveraging all of that technology now to be able to keep things running as smoothly as possible in the new reality that we're in now. So we have closed down our South and Beaumont locations to the general public, and we've centralized our operations to our old Strathcona location. So it's at 10326 81 Avenue in Edmonton, and so we're maintaining hours of Monday to Friday 9 to 5 at that location. Obviously, we ask that you abide by government recommendations. We have the signage, etc., up, and are doing additional cleaning and whatnot, and keeping distance between the key staff that are still running out of the office location. So we ask if you are ill or have traveled outside of Canada within the last 30 days that you not come to the office and make other arrangements. In addition, we have our drop safe for out front that can be used to drop off deposit checks and the like. So we'll have envelopes there and a kind of an instruction sheet and all the information we need to have. So if you are doing a real estate transaction with us, then you can still drop off deposit checks to this location. So outside of that, for those that have transactions in process already with one of our agents, the main thing is that we're still continuing to work and operate just remotely, but we encourage you to contact your mortgage lender, your insurance broker, and your lawyer to make sure that they're made adjustments in their business to be able to still facilitate the closing of your transaction. And we're waiting to hear still from land titles and a few others if they have modified policies at this time regarding original signed paperwork, as that's currently one of the challenges, is specifically with land title documentation. But we have already heard from FCT and a few other of the title insurance companies that they're offering extended gap insurance. So if there is a delay or full closure with the land titles office, it won't impact your closing. So that's reassuring to know as well for anyone who's in the middle of a transaction. And then as far as kind of marketing properties and the like, as of right now, we have canceled the open houses effective immediately. So we won't be doing public open houses of any kind on any of the listings. And as far as sellers go, we basically give caution, as is recommended by the government, to anyone over the age of 65 or who has an immunodeficiency or immunocompromised, as the new term is. We suggest removing the home from the market at this time and or relocating your family to another family member's residence if you want to keep the property on the market to reduce any risks there. And if the continued marketing efforts that we'll make on properties are to leverage technology again. So leveraging virtual tours, leveraging video, virtual open houses is another strategy that a lot of our agents use, plus photos and other online and social media marketing. And so for our realtors, we'll be asking all showing requests additional health screening questions, and we encourage the the strategy of only looking at accepting offers subject to viewing. So if you really want to ensure that you have someone who's very seriously interested in the home, that's one strategy we are suggesting as well. You can remove the property from the market for a period of a maximum of 14 days based on our real estate association's rules and regulations. Otherwise, the alternative is to terminate the listing and relist it at a future time. For those that have the property still in the market, for showings, making sure as a seller that you're turning on all the lights, opening up all your closet doors and other doors between rooms and the like before showings, and making sure that you're sanitizing all the touch surfaces throughout your home as well to ensure the safety of everyone. And putting a hand washing station in your kitchen with paper towels, not a fabric towel, or hand sanitizer at the entrance of the property. So for buyers, again, we'll be asking additional screening questions of all clients. And if you're sick or traveled recently, do not view any properties following the government recommendations. Only request showings on properties you have serious interest in, so it's not really a time to just go window shopping for houses. You can do that from the comfort of your own home virtually. We welcome that and have a lot of technology available to facilitate that. And make sure that you're respecting, you travel to the property in your own vehicle, and that you respect others' space and don't touch surfaces throughout the home. So if there is something that you can't access or can't see in, we ask you just to leave that for the time being. Or you can wear single-use gloves or make sure that you utilize any hand washing stations and like that are at the property. But we just ask for mutual respect to ensure the safety of everyone on that front. Understand if our agents are asking additional screening questions about illness or travel, so it's non-discriminatory. It's based on the government's recommendation. So we'll be asking if you've traveled in the past 30 days, specifically if you've traveled and returned after March 12th, or from certain countries that the government is stipulating, and we'll have a questionnaire that our agents will be running through as well with that. So we ask for that support and understanding from clients and those members of the public inquiring on our listings, as well as our realtor colleagues in the market that will be asking those questions prior to showing requests as well. So we can all work together here to still keep properties transacting, and we know everyone has needs that we want to be able to serve and fulfill in terms of their housing needs. So if we all work together and kind of operate on these new realities, it'll still run nice and smoothly on kind of a modified basis. So practicing social distancing, not shaking hands, all of the recommendations they've been made out there in the media, have other ways to greet one another and still feel welcome. And those with mortgages on your existing properties, we also encourage you to contact your lender directly. Most of the major lenders and all the major banks have already announced options for postponement of payments, and that's something to really look at this time. If you're off work or things like that, then reach out to that lender as well. So contact your lender directly. So as always, stay safe, stay sanitary out there, and feel free to reach out to us if there's anything we can do to support you at this time in our community as a client or just a general member of our Edmonton and other communities. So we're here to help and an active part of that process. Talk soon.